Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Week 1 assignments. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. In this week's Python assignments, we wrote programs to solve various tasks. Finding numbers between 1500 and 2700 divisible by 7 and 5. Implementing FizzBuzz, summing two integers with a special condition, removing specific elements from a list, printing odd numbers between 1 and 100 using a while loop, displaying grades based on percentages, printing the day of the week based on user input, managing a birthday dictionary, defining functions to print name and age, and find the maximum of 3 numbers, and looping from 1 to 60 with specific print conditions.
Additionally, we created simple input-output exercises, including a band name generator, a password generator, contact info printing, and a self-introduction script. These tasks cover basic to intermediate Python concepts, focusing on loops, conditionals, functions, and user input.
If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655268, or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.